everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. So today we are going over to visit my buddy Kyler at Dependable. So little backstory on this, my truck is going in for paint match on Monday and I've got to go to Salt Lake to get that done, and I can't even turn like a little bit. So we already got the 22x14s on, as you guys have seen in the previous video, and I can't drive down to Salt Lake and drop my truck off. So I asked Kyler if he could get me in any sooner than next week, because my truck's gonna be down with Damon Hart all next week, Monday through Friday, getting paint matched. And like I said, I can't turn. So we're gonna go over and visit him, and he's gonna get us lifted up today, and hopefully we'll be able to turn. Look at all those Super Duties. Woo-hoo. Pulling into Dependable right here. Yes, sir. Today is the day. All right, so we made it over here to Dependable. We got Kyler, the owner, right here. Look at a couple just of these trucks that they have built. Woo. I don't know if you're as excited as I am, but can you let us know what we're gonna be doing to fit these on here? Because I can't turn currently.
Not at all. Hopefully this 2.5-inch ready lift is going to be the only thing we need to do. Pretty simple, actually. Okay, so we're going to put it up on a ready lift. We do have 22x14s on 325/50 22, so pretty much it equates out to a 35-inch tire. These guys did my last truck, which you've seen on the channel. If you're original here, if you're new here, smash the subscribe button and let us know what you guys think if we're going to be able to fit these, because everyone I've talked to so far says that I need a 6-inch lift to clear these. I think Kyler's more right, because he's done some work for me before. I've seen trucks that he does all the time, and I think we're gonna make it work. Okay, sweet. So I'm gonna go work, and they're gonna work on my truck, and then we will be back, and I will show you guys how we can turn with this thing. Peace out. All right, so one of my buddies from work came and picked me up. Of course, he's got to pick me up in the Platinum. So we're gonna head off to work, and I will see you guys in a later video. Full turned right there. Oh, I can't wait to turn again. Close, boy. That was close. Real quick, these guys hooked it up fat, and he threw in some nice Fox shocks for me. Gave me a surprise for coming back to him. Now, let's go see how it rides, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go.
guys, so I am gonna hurry and show you guys the leveling kit and what Dependable did exactly for us. We didn't have to trim anything and we still can full turn without rubbing. I am gonna show you guys that, but we had to run a load to the salvage yard this morning and get that dropped off while I had the dump trailer still. So now I've gotta hurry and wash it before I show you guys. Now, if you do wanna see an inside peek on videos or stuff like that before I post them on YouTube, be sure to check out my Instagram or my Snapchat to get the inside scoop before the videos come out. So let's go ahead and wash the truck. About the leveling kit and what you guys came on today's video for. So the boys at Dependable did hook it up. They did give us some Fox shocks on here. This is a 2.5 inch ready lift. We did not have to cut anything from either side, okay? Now, I know you're gonna be upset about this, and some of you are probably actually really triggered, and you're gonna say, oh, there's no way that you can clear 22 by 14s on 35s. We're gonna show you otherwise today. There is no cutting up in the front, as you can see. So let's go ahead and show you guys what a full turn looks like. Let's do left and right, so that way you guys can have more things to complain about. Okay, so we are gonna go down to the church parking lot because I don't have enough room to do a full circle turn for you guys, but let's go ahead and pull in there and let's see if we rub or not. Show you a full lock turn to the left first. That is full lock. Well, there you guys have it. So full turn, full lock, both ways. We didn't even get in reverse and we're still not rubbing. So for those of you guys who said I would need a 6-inch lift to clear these wheels and tires, wrong. Alrighty guys, please be sure to remember, if this video triggered you in any way, to drop a thumbs up on it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you're not gonna wanna miss out on any future content. We are going in for Paint Match Monday, and we will make a video on that next week, but this video for today is over. Peace out.